now saying that we should choose Jamaica for a better and a safer Jamaica. Sir, I'm so tired of you and this bullshit. The better and the safer Jamaica is going to be is when we lock up your ass, put you in jail and dash with the damn key. And I hope them don't lock you up and put you up at the Constant Spring police station where you can't escape. I hope they reopen Fort Augustus and put your backside there, because the looks on you, I can tell that you can't swim. Anyway, Mr. Holness, we are not going to choose you, sir. We're going to choose the person who care for the people. Do you remember when the students them in Russia that was studying for doctor, when the war between the Ukraine and Russia was about to start and they call on you for help, sir? What did you say? You tell them to go get themselves a loan and get themselves home. You didn't choose us, Mr. Holness. You chose your family, friends, and yourself. But Mr. Mark Jefferson Golden, the integrity boss, go in his own pocket and take out his own money and send and let the children return to Jamaica safe and sound. That is a man that chose the people. That is a man that loved the people. Mr. Holness, not just that, sir. After Michael Manley put the people them on the land up a Loida's Vale from in the 70s, sir, the people them have 60 odd houses up there, sir. Well-established houses, sir. And you and your rich friend them go up there, want to evacuate and bulldoze the people them, sir. And here come our integrity boss, Mr. Mark Golden again, to save the people, sir. He stop you in your tracks with a letter, and on top of it, he got to take you to court to show you that the people have rights to be there. So you're not for the people, Mr. Holness. You're for your pocket, your friends, and yourself. And Mr. Holness, under your government, we don't want to hear that we're going to have a safe and better Jamaica. Like I said, the safe and the better Jamaica will be is when your ass is locked up and you're in jail. Anyway, sir, what I also want you to know, we will choose the integrity boss, and when we go to the polling station, we'll surely put the X beside the head, because we are going to choose the man that loved the Jamaican people, chose the Jamaican people, and care for the Jamaican people. Mr. Mark Jefferson Golden is always rescuing the Jamaican people. Mr. Holness, do you remember the meeting that you have the other day, sir, when you was taking away the 30% wages from the tourists, from the Airbnb, the 30% of tourists from the Airbnb users, sir, who came in and rescued the Jamaicans right there again. Mr. Mark Jefferson Golden, he stop you in your tracks, sir, and let you know that no, you can't do this. The Jamaican people, the locals deserve to have a little bit of the tourism. So, sir, of course, we're going to choose somebody that chose the Jamaican people. And Mr. Holness, what surprises me most of all, sir, I see you at the corner shop them. The same corner shop them where you say sell the chicken parts, the pound of rice, the pound of sugar and the onion and the tomato. They were spreading COVID. I was surprised that you were there voting, campaigning and looking votes, sir. You see, cock won't kill cock. Them says that what go down the foil is what comes out of it. Mr. Holness, you was never for the people, and you will never be for the people, because you hate poor people. All I can see that you did for poor people in your 10 years of tenureship, sir, is pressure, 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 pain, 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 jail, jail, jail. You don't like the Jamaican people. When you say they won't meet the judge or the maker, or no say in a body bag or pan the truck back. And then you say the security force would rather to use their productive skills. And then you come back, sir, and you say you are going to build 5 galaxies, sir, so them can hang as soon as the case is over. And you are telling me that I must choose you? Hell no. I will make sure when I go to the polling station, I put my X beside the head. And I'm encouraging each and every Jamaican who want to be chosen by a leader whose integrity is pure and clean to go to the polling station and bring your voter's ID so we can have a smooth process and put the X beside the head, because the only person is going to choose you is Mr. Mark Jefferson Golden. He loved the people. He cared for the people. And not just that, he's coming from a line of integrity. Remember, Sir John Golden was his father. And he has done so much for the Jamaican people. And his son, Mark Jefferson Golden, sat there and watched the Jamaican people going through stress and tell himself that I will have no more of this. I am going to rescue them. So Mr. Bro Devil, aka Craveny, Kanjo, it's time for you to go, sir. We'll not choose you. Each time we chose you, you let the people down. And we want no more of you, sir. No more of you, sir. In life, if we should have a storm again and we get the hurricane relief money, we want to get it, sir. In life, when we make up another charity, sir, we want to get with charity money, sir. Sir, we don't want no $3 trillion missing again, sir. Sir, we don't want all these monies that is missing under your portfolio, sir. We can't choose you, sir. The fact that you don't declare your status, Mr. Holness, show that you are an evil-minded person. The fact that you don't sign the code of conduct, Mr. Holness, show that we cannot choose you, sir. In Jesus' name, Mr. Holness, I'm going to rebuke you, sir. We cannot choose you, Mr. Holness, because you're not for the people and you're not for Jamaica. And one thing I have to say to you, sir, cock mouth, kill cock. And you must remember that you can bring the cow God well, but you can't force him to drink water. So no matter how much money you are going to spend and pay for vote, you will get the crowd to come out. But where they going to put the vote? I am sure guys go out on the 3rd of September 2025 and put the X beside the head. Better Jamaica, safer Jamaica. Someone that is going to choose the people and put the people first. Big up yourself and Mr. Holness. Until then, start praying from today, because there's no way we're going to give you another day. Bye for now.